Panzer IV 70A. Other designations: Panzerwagen 604, Virgule 9, Gerat 558. Type: tank destroyer on tank chassis. Manufacturer: Nibelungenwerk. Chassis numbers: 91501-278, produced from August 1944 to March 1945. Crew 4. Weight 28 tons. Length 8.4 meters. Width 2.8 meters. Height 2.3 meters. Engine: Maybach HL120 TRM and TRM112. Gearbox: 6 forward, 1 reverse. Speed: 38 kilometers per hour. Range: 320 kilometers. Radio: FUG-5. Armament: 1 7.5 centimeter PaK 42 L70, 1 7.92 millimeter MG42. Traverse of the PaK 42: 10 degrees left, 10 degrees right by hand. Traverse of machine gun, hand. Elevation of PaK 42: minus 5 degrees, positive 15 degrees. Sight: SFL-ZF. Armor: so basically the whole front in different facets of the Panzer is 80 millimeters at different angles. The side and rear range between 40, 30, and 20 millimeters, and the rear is less than that. History: the Panzer IV 70A was the all-cat version of a tank destroyer mounting the long-barreled 75 millimeter PaK 42. It was mounted on the normal chassis of the Panzer IV from the same production line producing normal Panzer IV-J at Nibelungenwerk. The Panzer IV 70V and A were produced simultaneously from August 1944 to 1945. Specific features: the Panzer IV 70A had a chassis unaltered from the Panzer IV series. The superstructure was of similar design to that on the Panzer IV 70V. It differed only in that the lower superstructure was vertical, extending out over the tracks, and a visor was provided for the driver. The gun was mounted in the front of the sloped upper superstructure in the same type of mount used for the Panzer IV 70V. The Panzer IV 70A was nose-heavy and was therefore fitted with steel-rimmed wheels on the first 4 bogie stations. Combat service. The Panzer IV 70A was employed in the same manner as the normal Panzer IV-A. I'll give that to you again. Combat service. The Panzer IV 70A was employed in the same manner as the normal Panzer IV in tank detachments, or as an assault gun in place of the tank hunter and independent assault gun brigades. Most of them were issued to or were replacements for units fighting in the East. I will read the plates. This is plate 327. Panzer IV 70A, top. The prototype vehicle. So here's the prototype getup. Here is plate 328. The other 2 photographs show a vehicle captured by the French. the hit it has received on the front superstructure. So here's a battle strike right here. It looks like it's all fractured right there on the front superstructure. And so this is a vehicle captured by the French. Here's the same Panzer IV. And you see like a fender sheared off. You see like a driver there. And here's somebody here. You see a good image of the superstructure there. So the front is 80 millimeters. And the Salkoff blend is 80 millimeters. And in the back you have much thinner armor. And that is a Panzer IV production. I hope you enjoyed it.